How's it going, everyone? This is Nick Pasquale from Keller Williams San Diego Metro, and today I'm going to show you how to add some templates to ZipForms Personal Edition. So first things first, we're going to have to download the templates. So for that, go down in the description below and there's going to be a Google Drive link. From there, you're going to be able to download this KWSDM ZipForms templates file. All you have to do is right-click the file, click download, and you will have it downloaded. So once you have the files downloaded, you're going to come back over here to the ZipForms, and then at the top, you're going to click templates, then you're going to come over here and click import, and then your browser file, select the file you just downloaded, accept all the files there, press OK, and then all 6 of these should appear under your templates. Now that you got all your templates downloaded, I'm going to show you how you're able to use them. So make your way over to transactions, and there's 2 ways you could use the templates you just downloaded. The first is pressing new, come in here, pick whatever one you want, and then down here you go to select template. You can select the template from here. The alternative version, if you already have a transaction, you click on the transaction, you could click apply template, and you could see the templates that you just downloaded. Other than that, there you go, you got your templates downloaded. I hope you all have a great day.